Every monument tells a story. ArchiSense is transforming how we discover, document, and preserve our cultural heritage for future generations. Using advanced LiDAR and photogrammetry technology, ArchiSense captures archaeological sites with exceptional accuracy and remarkable detail. ArchiSense converts complex archaeological data into interactive maps, immersive 3D models, and powerful visual insights for research and analysis. Our platform seamlessly integrates geospatial data, securely shares information, and collaborates remotely with teams from anywhere in the world. From generating orthomosaic maps, digital terrain models, AutoCAD drawings, and detailed reports through one streamlined workflow. The Archaeology Interpretation Center brings history to life through interactive exhibits, educational experiences, and engaging public outreach. With precise data and advanced analytical tools, ArchiSense empowers researchers and conservationists to make informed decisions for preservation and restoration. More than a platform, ArchiSense connects the past with the future, preserving heritage, inspiring discovery, and creating lasting impact.